Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I will show one thing that is that you teach.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
ma'am, you are muted again.
Now, ma'am will teach only. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am.
You are mute. No.
Pratiksha, mute.
Pratiksha, mute yourself, Pratiksha.
Ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are on mute. Yes, ma'am, you are on mute. Sorry.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Can't able to hear you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't able to hear you.
Okay, students, all of you join?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you join?
Yes,
Able
ma'am.
to hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we join, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, able to hear me?
Still they have to join.
We can able to hear you, ma'am.
And see you, ma'am.
All able to hear me? Why I'm not able to
Yes,
hear?
ma'am, we
Is
can
there a
hear
fault?
you.
I don't know, I'm not able to hear you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, Samara is unmuted.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
One has unmuted.
Ma'am, we can. Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay. Is the board visible? Is the board visible? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The board
ma'am.
is visible.
Okay, fine. So yes.
So I'll mute everyone now. Okay, and yes, your doubt session is left out. Okay, please ask your doubts. Let you complete with your doubt session. We'll continue. Okay, I'll mute everyone. Whoever have doubts, please raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand and clear your doubts. Okay. Okay. So I think muted. I think right. Yes, please raise your hand. Whatever are doubts, raise your hand. Okay, so I'll start with Vishant. Tell me what doubt you have.
Ma'am, when the plant grows its green leaves, then only it starts to make its own food, no, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. One more doubt, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
the
tell
seed
me.
ma'am, the germination contains the seed in resting state, ma'am.
Seed will be resting state, but it will be like respiring. It can take inside the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So here in the seeds it is.
Ma'am, why and next why it will start to grow in only variable conditions?
Yes, it is. Some seeds require colder conditions, some seeds require hotter conditions. Each one will have that kind of environment. No, even in animals, it is the same case. In the animals also, it is the same case, right? In the animals, what will happen? In the animals, so usually the animals, basically, there are polar bear which wants to live in the cold area. Desert region, camel wants to live in desert region. So it's the same way. Okay, but usually all the seeds, when you put inside the water, what it will do, it take inside the oxygen, give out the carbon dioxide. But the same seed, when the same seed, when you put into the soil, when it grows to a new plant, that time it is opposite. What it will do, it will take inside the carbon dioxide and give out the oxygen. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. The one more doubt,
Okay.
ma'am.
Is any other doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the plant absorb the water in seed hole, no, ma'am?
Embryo. Usually that embryo absorbs the water and becomes fat. Okay.
And then the cells of embryo starts increasing in size, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Chintana, what doubt you have? What doubt you have?
Chorlophy means what?
Repeat.
Chorlophy.
No, I didn't understand you. Can you spell it?
CHLOROPHY.
LL. PHYLL. Chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL. Chlorophyll.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am,
You're asking the fact only, no?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am,
No, whatever
CHL.
word you said. No, say that's what, dear. Yeah, whatever you're telling, that word is not there. It is full word is CHLOROPHYLL. 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 There's no word called chloro. No word like that. It is chlorophyll. Or you are confused with autotroph. Autotroph spelling is AUTOTROPH. Autotroph means it can prepare its own food. It can prepare its own food.
Chorlophy means what, ma'am?
Chlorophyll. Spell it with me. Chlorophyll.
Ma'am, what?
Chlorophyll. Chloro. CHLO. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Tell it. Once you yes, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is green pigment. Because of chlorophyll, the leaf is green. Why leaf is green? Because of this chlorophyll present in the leaf. Okay.
Ma'am, major means what?
Repeat.
Ma'am, major.
Major. Major means what? Major means something which is too much or greater part. My major, minor. That is a bigger part. Bigger part is major and smaller part is minor.
And structure means?
Structure means what? You and I have like structures, no? That is a structure.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So this is a structure of flower what I wrote. Okay. That is a structure of flower. Okay. So next, Shamant, what do you have? Yes. Mute, unmute.
And what is the meaning of pollination?
Pollination is a process of transfer of, the seeds from one flower to another flower, or one from this anther to the stigma. That is pollination. Okay, the pollen grains is there, right? The pollen grains is the male reproductive part. Okay, the pollen grains is the male reproductive part that is there on the anther. So what does it do? When the wind blows or it rains, the flower just moves around, no? Or even the insect will sit on this anther. So what happened? All the pollen grains, the male part will sit on that insect, and when the insect will sit on this, all the pollen grains will go through the stigma. This is a stigma. That is a sticky part. The pollen grains will sit on the stigma. Okay, and the pollen grains will pass and goes to the ovary. It pass and goes to the ovary. There it forms egg. It forms, means it reacts to the egg to form zygote. That is fertilization, where you get a new fruit. From flower, the fruit is formed. Okay, that is pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another flower, or the same flower from the anther to the stigma. That is pollination. Okay, yes. Next is Dhanush. Tell me, what do you have?
Ma'am, while you was explaining about ovaries function, my audio was breaking. Can you again explain it?
Which one?
Ma'am,
Which
ovary.
what?
Ma'am, ovary.
Ovary is a female reproductive part. Female reproductive part. Okay. Female reproductive part is ovary. Okay. Female reproductive part is ovary. Okay. So here this ovary has egg. Ovary has egg. So what happens here? From that anther, this anther is there, no, here. You can see the hibiscus flower. Everyone know hibiscus flower? Daspada. Hibiscus flower, everyone know, right? That hibiscus flower, you can see one will be straight red color, like one will be branched like this. Okay, so that branch thing is the anther, and the straight one is the upper part is the stigma. That anther has the pollen grains, small powder. You can feel it. Whenever you get the hibiscus flower, you can feel it. That powdery thing is the pollen grains which is attached on the anther. That is the male reproductive part. Okay. So what does it do? When wind flows, when the wind is windy, what happens? The pollen grains will go and get stuck to the stigma. Pollen grains will go and stuck to the stigma, and what will happen? Once in the stigma, it will get attracted and it goes to this style, and here in the ovary, with the eggs, it interacts with the eggs. The pollen grains interact with the egg. Okay, the pollen grains interact with the egg. Okay, as the pollen grains interact with the egg, it forms a zygote and later the fruit. Okay, later the fruit. Okay, so usually before you get a mango, whatever the fruit, right? Initially it will be flower, later it forms fruit. Okay, so that is the whole process involved there. Understood? Any other doubt? Yes, Dhanush, any other doubt?
Ma'am, no doubt, ma'am. But when the wind blows, no, ma'am, that pollen grains, like they will say that seed dispersal, no, ma'am.
No, seed dispersion is different. Seed dispersion also there, pollen grains also same only. Same
Yes,
by
ma'am.
wind, rain and that insect. Okay, both are same. But in pollen grains, what will happen? You get that anther. In the anther only that it will be there as a powdery thing. Okay, but seeds are not powdery. Seeds will get big pink thing only. Okay, but once it is already, all the seeds are already produced in the plant, due to it is windy, seeds also get dispersed from this. This is the same method. Okay, but seeds where it will land, it will go and land in the soil. Okay, the seeds will go and land in the soil and new plant will grow. Okay, but if this pollen grains, it will go to this from anther to the stigma of one flower, or that is self-pollination. Okay, or this anther will go to another flower, that is the cross-pollination. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah, Tanyashi, tell me what doubt you have. Tanyashi, are you able to unmute? Make it fast, dear. It's getting time. Tanyashi, tell me. Okay, I don't think so. She's able to unmute. Okay, Sohan, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the meaning of erode?
Erosion. Erosion is removal of top layer of soil. Removal of top layer of soil. When it is too windy and all, no, the top layer, that soil will just go like a dust. No, that is the removal of top layer of the soil is called as erosion. When the roots are not there to hold, what will happen? Because of deforestation, the soil get eroded. Many of the fertile soil, which is more, it has more fertile and all, that will get eroded. Okay. Any other doubt? Sohan?
Tanya speaking, ma'am. I have a doubt. Ma'am, you have written, ma'am, autotroph after chlorophyll. What is the meaning of autotroph, ma'am?
Preparation of its own food is autotroph.
Okay.
So we are heterotroph.
Above that you have written. Okay.
We are,
okay.
Listen. We are heterotroph.
Others' food, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
We are heterotroph. Means what? Listen, Danya, listen.
Others for food.
Okay, listen to me. We are heterotroph because we depend on plants. No, we depend on plants for its food. We eat whatever the plants will give as a food, we eat that one. We can't prepare our own food. Okay, we are heterotroph. Autotroph is the plant will prepare its own food. It won't depend on others. Okay. Any other doubts? Sohan, I'll come to you.
Ma'am, you have written stalk of flower, no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have written stalk of flower, no, ma'am. What is meaning of that? STALK, stalk of flower.
When the flower you have seen, no, the brown part.
Yes, ma'am. That. Okay, ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, and you gave an example of hibiscus flowers, no, ma'am? Ma'am, we have some pollen grains, no, ma'am? Ma'am, which we call pollen grains, ma'am? On that, like, stick will be there, no, ma'am? On that, 5 or 6 will be there. That one, ma'am? Or on the stick, small will be there, no, ma'am? That one? Hello, ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, now I'm able to hear you. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me. Please tell
Ma'am,
me.
but you gave an example of hibiscus flower, no, ma'am? In that, you told that pollen grains are present in it. Ma'am, on the like stick, it will be there, no, ma'am? On that, we have 5 small grains, no, ma'am? On top 5, we have, no, ma'am? That is known as pollen grains, or some powder like there will be there, no, ma'am? On stick, that one, which we call as pollen grains.
It's a powdery substance. Okay, the powdery
And that
substance that is present
sticked on.
on this.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Which will be sticked on the stick like. Okay, ma'am. I understood.
yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, one more, ma'am. When the flower dry out, ma'am, sepal will be fresh only, no, ma'am? Sepal will be like that only, even if the petals, the flower dry. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now? I hope I am audible. Yeah, whose chance was that? I think somebody were asking doubt. Pratiksha, your chance, right? Tell me what doubt you have?
Ma'am, petals are as usually colored or white, but never green. Why, ma'am?
Because it has to attract the insect and all, no, the butterfly, insect, and for pollination purpose. The insect, butterfly, and all will sit on that, it will drink that nectar and all, no? So pollination, and all the pollen grains will get stuck to the insect, and the same pollen grains will get moved to the another thing, okay, to another flower, or the same flower. It goes to stigma, there it goes to egg, it forms fertilize, and it forms a fruit.
Ma'am, one more doubt. Ma'am, the petals make the flower attractive and hence attract insects for pollination, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Oh, yes. So next is what? Next is who's the thing? Yeah, Dhruva, tell me what doubt you have. Unmute quickly. Yes. Dhruva, are you there? You don't have any doubt? Okay, Shivani, tell me what doubt you have?
And what you wrote of below the pollination?
Here. Here, pollination, help in pollination.
Yes, ma'am. What you wrote under that one, ma'am?
Where?
What you wrote, ma'am, under that one? I am not able to see that one.
So this is answer. Listen. Okay, Shivani, listen. This is answer. Can you see over here? This is answer. This part is answer. ANTHER. This is filament. Okay. And this part is stigma. And this is style. Okay. So what happens? The answer has pollen grains. Here there is a pollen grains. Okay. What does the pollen grains do? When the wind blows or insects sit on the that petal, the pollen grains get on that insect only it gets stuck, and it goes when the insect goes and sit over here or through wind, the pollen grains goes through the stigma, then through this style, and this egg, with the egg it forms the ovary. With the egg it forms the zygote, and it forms the fruit.
Okay, ma'am. What is the meaning of ovary? Ma'am, what is
Ovary is the
the meaning?
female reproductive part.
Okay, ma'am.
Female reproductive part is ovary. Ovary is female reproductive part.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Anther, this is
Excuse me, ma'am. You are on mute. Excuse me, ma'am. You are on mute, ma'am.
yeah, tell me. Tell me. Are you able to hear me? Tell me.
Ma'am, what you
So sepals is what? Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can hear you.
Okay, just tell me. Yeah, this is the male reproductive part. Which part? The pollen. The pollen grains is the male reproductive part. You can write that. Okay, so I just write here. I think you have space here. Pollen grains is male reproductive part. Okay, male reproductive part. Okay, male reproductive part is the pollen grain.
One more doubt, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, any other doubt?
Yes, ma'am. You wrote no, ma'am. That is pedicel. Pedicel.
Pedicel. Pedicel is PEDICEL. Yes. Okay. Any other doubt? Okay. Yes. Shreya, tell me what doubt you have.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in the leaf part, means some leaf doesn't have green color, no, ma'am. Ma'am, then they will prepare their food from, they will depend on other plant, no, ma'am.
No, yeah, food is prepared by the leaf.
Yes, ma'am, but some leaf doesn't have green color, no, ma'am.
Because it does not have so. Because usually it is modified part. The leaf is
Ma'am,
like in
then-
cactus.
Ma'am, when it doesn't have green color leaf, it will depend on other plant, no, ma'am.
Yes, whichever does not have that green part means it does not have the capacity to prepare its own food. Okay, but
Ma'am,
in
and
terms of cactus, listen,
Ma'am, and another.
in the terms of cactus, okay, listen, the cactus what will have?
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes,
that I was
yes,
not
tell me.
able to hear you.
Yeah, the cactus, the leaves part is converted to a thorn. No, that means
Yes, ma'am.
it is not able to prepare its own food. Stem is green. So their stem only is green, stem only will prepare its food. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And another doubt, you told that in hibiscus there will be a type of powder, no, ma'am?
No.
Ma'am, will it be in brown color or any other color? Because I was having an activity in my school.
Powder, any powder.
Ma'am, it will be.
Yeah. If you get a hibiscus flower, you'll get to know. It will be very powdery. It is not like brown or white. It is like kind of powder.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
So
ma'am.
if it happen to, or even the rose also, in between it will be powdery. Those
Yes,
also
ma'am.
can be used.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. So next, Bhagyashri, tell me what do you have? Tell me.
Ma'am, you wrote now, ma'am, that down, pollen grain, main. After that, what you wrote, ma'am?
Pollen grains, male reproductive part.
Ma'am, can
Male
you spell that?
reproductive part. Reproductive part here I've written no. Instead of female, write male. Male reproductive part. I've written that side.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
just come this side.
the growth of the plant from a seed is called germination, no, ma'am? Ma'am, the growth of a plant from a seed is called germination, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, yes, next. Who's chance? Next, Dipesh, tell me.
I cannot see when I'm joined still now. I cannot see I can see everyone's video except you. I'm getting your voice.
Can you understand here? Be clear.
When I join from that to this, I can see everyone's video, but I cannot see your video, ma'am.
You're not able to see my video. How?
You are sharing PPT, ma'am, that I cannot see, ma'am.
Maybe you have gone to gallery view. Go to speaker view in your Zoom thing. There is two parts, speaker view, gallery view, and some parchment view and all that. Go to speaker view, click on that, you get the host, whoever is speaking. Okay.
Thank you,
Ma'am, I have a doubt that, ma'am, near that anchor, is there any part called filament? Ma'am, we can't hear you. You're on mute. Ma'am, I can't hear you. Ma'am, you're on mute. And we can't hear you. You're on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, near the tanker, is there any part called as filament? Ma'am, near the
Yes,
anchor,
Tanvi
is there
can you hear me
any
now?
part called filament? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, near the anchor, is there any part called filament?
Okay, use the chat box and answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, tell me
Yes, tell
now.
me now. Tell me.
Ma'am, near the, ma'am, the leaf
Yes.
whole part, ma'am, is there any part called filament?
Leaf, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Is there any part called that?
I don't know, dear. I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, is there any part called filament, ma'am, in the leaf part? Not in the leaf, the whole flower part.
Huh.
Ma'am, is there any part like that?
You're taking a lot of time, dear. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, next part.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one more doubt. Ma'am, is there any... not that one. Ma'am, can you tell the spelling of anchor? I'm not able to see the board.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Okay, yes. So, yeah, I'm unmuted now. Okay, because of lot of connectivity issue, my mobile is not catching up the network. That's why it is getting muted every time because I am muted everyone. So that I am also getting muted. My mobile is getting muted. Anyway, so Sohan and Danyashri, your chance is over. You see, 40 minutes is gone in doubt session only. So I can't keep wasting my time. Okay. So yeah, you can carry on your doubts with your next session. So I have another half an hour to complete this chapter. And because of this, I'm getting slower also. Okay. So you have to be cooperative. Yes. So I'm just erasing the board. Okay, so next coming to the uses of flour. Where and all is used? It is used to prepare perfume. Uses, you can write preparation of perfume. Preparation of perfume. Preparation of perfume. Next. And usually some flowers are like cauliflower. 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 Banana is edible. Like you can eat these flowers. Flowers like cauliflower and banana you can eat. Okay. So it is used as spice. Saffron. 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 Okay, or usually or kesar, usually they put for coloring purpose, no, they put that saffron. Okay, so that is the spice, especially the cloves used as spice, so cloves is also a flower. Okay, so next is what? So next is the decoration purpose. Flowers is used for decoration. Yes, note it down. Okay. Who is that crying, laughing? Get out of my meeting. Yes, Danya, tell me, how do flowers provide food to seed? When they contain, do they have chlorophyll to prepare food? No, embryo. Seed, see, once the fruit is produced, how the fruit is produced? Inside whatever especially the mango is there, no? Mango, surface you have skin. Inside whatever the fruit part is there, no? That is the embryo. Embryo will form into a fruit. Okay, the seed will form the ovule. Ovule is the seed and embryo is the fruit. Okay. Spice, S-P-I-C-E. Embryo gives the fruit, food for the growing seed or the growing fruit. Yes, shall I raise the board? Here is the board. Okay, so I'm erasing the board. Okay, so next coming to the animals. Plants is over. Next coming to the animals. Functions of body parts of animals. Okay, how much time you have? We have another 15 minutes. Okay. First is the musculoskeletal system. Musculoskeletal system. Okay. First is the musculoskeletal system. Skeletal system. So musculoskeletal system. So usually this is made up of muscles and bones. Muscles plus bones. Muscles plus bones. What does the muscle and bones do? Support the movement of our body. Function is support the movement of our body. Next, digestive system. Digestive system. So digestive system consists of what? Stomach, intestine, pancreas. Stomach, intestine, pancreas. Pancreas. So liver. So what does it do? Digest and absorb food. Digest and absorb food. Okay, so here obviously the muscles and bones we have. If you take my hand, so if the hand is there, it is the muscle part. Muscle, and inside you can feel the bone. What does it do? It will give the support for the movement of my hand. I can move my hand, right? So wherever the support, however I want to turn my head or however I want to turn my body, the support is given by the muscle and the bone, right? The muscle and the bone, that is musculoskeletal system. Musculoskeletal system. Okay, so next is the digestive system. So digestion, obviously you all know it is the digestion of food. The food is getting into paste. You eat food. When we eat food, what will happen? It goes through the esophagus, that is the food pipe. When you eat food, it goes to the food pipe. As it goes to the food pipe, it goes to the stomach. In the stomach, what you have? You have the stomach, there you have lot of juices, gastric juices. Okay, that gastric juices helps in digestion of juice. Okay, digestion. Okay, the food is getting digested in stomach. Later it goes to the intestine where it is getting absorbed. Where the food is getting absorbed in the intestine. Later on, it will go to the cells and the respective energy is given to the cells for its day-to-day, the body cells for its day-to-day activity. Okay, so next comes the pancreas or the liver. Pancreas also give pancreatic juice. Liver also will give it the bile juice. Okay, which I'll make you understand in the next chapter, that is taste and digestion. In the taste and digestion, all these three you will understand. Okay, so all this you'll again understand. Again, the same thing I will be repeating. Okay, so pancreas, liver, all this give the respective juices. Because of that gastric juices, the food get digested. Okay, and later on in the intestine, it is absorbed and all the cells will get the energy. Okay, yes, note it down. Done writing? Okay, I'm erasing the board, students. All of you, I'm erasing the board. Okay, next coming to the circulatory system. Next coming to the circulatory system. Okay, circulatory system. So circulatory system is basically, it consists of heart and vessel made up of heart, comma, blood vessels, heart and the blood vessels. Okay, the heart and the blood vessels. So usually and what all it do? The blood vessels, heart pumps the blood, pumps the oxygenated blood, to all parts of body, Okay, so blood vessels is basically usually the arteries and veins. Okay, what does the arteries and veins do? It circulates. Arteries, veins, circulate the glucose and oxygen to all parts of body. Okay, to all parts of body. Pumps the oxygenated blood to all parts of body. Okay, so here the circulatory system, heart, what does the heart do? The heart pumps the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Lub dub, you know, right? The heart will squeeze the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body through arteries. Okay, through arteries. This artery, what does it do? This arteries will circulate the glucose and oxygen to all parts of the body. That is a blood vessel. It passes on the glucose and oxygen to all parts of it. Veins will take in the carbon dioxide, CO2 and waste from the body. Okay, so the carbon dioxide and the waste is taken by the veins. What does the arteries do? It gives the glucose and the oxygen to the cells, body cells. Okay, next, what does the veins do? It takes in the carbon dioxide and the waste from the body cells. Okay, so these are the blood vessels. Okay, so what will happen? The heart pumps the blood. The heart actually pumps the oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood will pass through all over the body to arteries. Okay, and as the cell absorbs the glucose, okay, and the oxygen, it gives out the carbon dioxide and the waste. After absorbing the glucose, it gives out the waste and the carbon dioxide through veins. Okay, and what does the vein do? It veins again go back to the lung, okay, to the heart, where again it's getting oxygenated through arteries. Okay, it's the same process. Understood? Any doubt? Just note it down. All of you done? Okay, shall I raise? Shall I erase? Okay. Okay. So I think you have under 5 more minutes your doubt session. Yes, Sohan, you can ask your doubt now. And I'll continue your class tomorrow morning. Morning, you have my special class from 8 to 10. Morning. Okay? Yes? So yeah, Sohan, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Athens, ma'am?
I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Athens?
Huh?
Ma'am, the meaning of Athens.
Arteries. Arteries is a
Yes.
blood vessel. You are not attentive. You should be attentive whenever I teach.
No, ma'am, I have internet issue, that's why. Ma'am, doubt clear.
Yeah, can you hear
Ma'am,
me
we
now?
can't hear you. Yes, ma'am.
Someone tell me, what do you have? Yes, tell me now. What do you have? Sohan. Tell me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of arteries? Ma'am, you said just now, I asked my doubt.
Not able to hear you.
Ma'am, doubt cleared.
Not at all able to hear you. Pratiksha, tell me, what do you have?
Ma'am, what is that arteries
I know
after?
some issue. I'm not able to hear you at all. Nobody. Please use the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't know what's happening here because I'm not able to hear you all. Okay, so keep your all doubt session. Okay, yeah, write in one page and keep it. Tomorrow I'll clarify. Okay. Yes, I'm not at all able to hear you all. Some issue, I think. Okay, so I'll close the session then. Thank you for joining. See you in the next class. Yes, thank you.